Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the projections of a point located in the fourth quadrant. First, let us recollect the fundamentals. The 3D representation of the quadrant diagram is shown here. The same diagram can be represented in 2D like this. Here we can see the 3D representation as well as 2D representation of the fourth quadrant diagram. Now let us find the projections of a point D located in the fourth quadrant. It is given that the point D is located 30 mm below the horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. The pictorial representation of the given problem is shown here. From this diagram we can understand the point capital D is located 30 mm below the horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. To obtain the front view of the point capital D, we need to observe the point from the front, and the point need to be projected onto the vertical plane, and the projected point on the vertical plane can be called as front view of the point D, and it must be denoted using small letter D dash. In the same way, to obtain the top view of the point, we need to observe the point from the top and project this point onto the horizontal plane and obtain the top view point on the horizontal plane. And the top view must be denoted using the corresponding lowercase letter. So we need to name this point using the small letter D. Now we need to rotate the horizontal plane along with the top view point into 90° clockwise. Now we can observe that the point D occupies a new location below the XY line and gives us the final solution. The final solution can be shown on a 2D surface or on a 2D paper like this. Now let us move on to the shortcut method. From this diagram we can understand the front view reveals the above position as well as below position from the horizontal plane, and the front view must be represented using the corresponding lowercase letter with dash. In the same way, top view reveals the behind position as well as in front of position from the vertical plane, and the top view must be represented using the corresponding lowercase letter. Now let us solve the same problem using shortcut method and find its projections. It is given that the point D is located 30 mm below the horizontal plane and 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. Here we can see the pictorial representation of the given problem. The point D is located in the fourth quadrant. Temporarily I am assuming that the front view point D dash and the top view point D are located at the origin itself. For the easy explanation, let me relocate this particular point to a new location over here. Let us consider the first half of the given problem. The point D is 30 mm below the horizontal plane. So, the front view point D dash need to be moved in the below direction for a distance of 30 mm. Now let us consider the second half of the problem. It is given that the point D is 20 mm in front of the vertical plane. So the top view point need to be moved in the in front of direction for a distance of 20 mm. In the general method, after projecting the top view on the horizontal plane, we need to rotate the horizontal plane into 90° clockwise direction. In the same way, in this method, we need to rotate this horizontal line along with the top view point D need to be rotated into 90° clockwise and will give us the final solution. The same thing need to be represented on a 2D paper or on a 2D plane. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button and give your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Visit this channel for more such videos.